Beceremeyeceksen büyük mutfaktan yardım alsaydın ya. Tutturdun biz sultanın haremin asıl mutfağıyız diye. Hünkârın yemeğini biz vereceğiz dedin. Bak gördün mü? Kalkamadın altından. Kalkamadın!
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, Turkish isn't just one language. There's street Turkish, there's textbook Turkish, and then there's Ottoman Palace Turkish. And one of the best ways to learn these powerful, dramatic expressions through Muhteşem Yüzyıl, Magnificent Century, Turkey's most iconic historical drama. In today's lesson, we're diving deep into SIX expressions that will make you sound like Turkish royalty. Today you'll learn how to say the yıl deal in Turkish, a dramatic way to make promises. How to give someone a playful threat, the Turkish way. Plus expressions used in palaces that Turks still use today. These aren't in your textbook. Trust me. So if you enjoy learning oral Turkish from TV shows, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Tell me, have you watched Muhteşem Yüzyıl? And don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's jump into the world of sultans and power. Oh.
Tutturdun biz sultanın haremin asıl mutfağıyız diye.
Now, let's look at Tutturmak. This verb means to insist or to dictate. But here's the cool part. It can be used in a verse form in sentences. Check this out. He insisted we would go for a walk today. In Turkish, Tuturdu bugün yürüyüşünüz ayakikahakiz dia. See how tutu comes first. That's the reversed form. The key word here is di. It means as, hit means as. And it adds persistent insistence. Another example, if you insist we go. Tutturmak. So Tutturmak is all about being stubborn, insisting something will happen. Turkish people use this when someone won't give up. Simple, right? That's Tutturmak.
Hünkârın yemeğini biz vereceğiz dedin. Bak gördün mü? Kalkamadın altından. Kalkamadın!
Okay, let's talk about Altından Kalkmak. This literally means to rise from underneath. Imagine someone puts a heavy weight on you. Can you get up? Can you handle it? That's what this means to be capable of doing a tough job. Look at this example, Mom says. You're too young to clean your room. The child says, I can handle it. In Turkish, Ben altından kalkabilirim. Another one, how small is that room? We can handle this. Ben altından kalkabilirim. So when something is difficult, a job, a project, a responsibility, you say altından kalkabilirim. I can handle it. I can do this. Got it? That's Altından Kalkmak.
Geçmişten gelen iyi ilişkilerimizin gelecekte de güçlenerek devam etmesini dileriz.
Bu iyi dilekleri kabul buyurdunuz mu hünkârım?
Düşmanlık ve fitne taşımayan her dilek makbulümüzdür.
Geçmişten gelen iyi ilişkilerimizin gelecekte de güçlenerek devam etmesini dileriz.
Bu iyi dilekleri kabul buyurdunuz mu hünkârım?
All right. Kabul, Buyurmak. This is a literary, respectful way to say to accept. You won't hear this every day. It's more formal, more poetic. It's used in divan literature, that's classical Turkish poetry. Think of it like asking a king or a boss. Would you graciously accept this? Example. If you agree, I will go to the doctor tomorrow. Kabul biyorsanız ayorun doktora gidiyse. Neng. See how respectful that sounds. Or, please accept these gifts. Lütfen bu hediyeleri kabul biyorun. It's like bowing while you speak. So kabul buyurmak is formal, respectful, and makes you sound very polite. Modern Turkish, Just say Kabul at Mek. But this? This is fancy. Got it? That's Kabul Buyurmak.
Düşmanlık ve fitne taşımayan her dilek makbulümüzdür.
Last one. Makbul. This word means acceptable, well received, or valid. But listen, it's not commonly used in everyday speech. You'll see it more in classical Turkish literature. It's like an old-fashioned way of saying, this is good, this is acceptable. Example, coffee ground in a mortar was always considered superior. Kahvenin dibektovilini her zaman daha makbul ve sikeni tutovilini. Her zaman daha makbul ve See? Makbul, it means more acceptable, superior. As an idiom, makbule jemek means to be accepted. Makbul olmak means to be acceptable. So makbul is old school Turkish. You probably won't use it daily, but you'll definitely see it in books or formal writing. Now you know makbul, the fancy word for acceptable. That's all for today. Did this help you understand Turkish? Drop a comment and let me know. Want more Turkish lessons from TV shows? Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Your support motivates me to make more videos like this. See you next time. Hoşça kalın.